Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a clean field. This prevents trapped dust and bubbles. Lay a soft cloth on the table, power off the MacBook, and remove any case. Next, handle the protector by its edges and peel only the backing tab you need for initial alignment. Don't expose the full adhesive yet. Use the included alignment frame or 2 pieces of low-tack tape to hinge the protector at the top edge. This gives you control while keeping most adhesive covered. Once your hinge is secure and the top edge sits flush with the bezels, slowly lower the protector toward the screen. Expose adhesive gradually, working from top to bottom so you can catch misalignment early. As the protector approaches the glass, use a clean microfiber cloth and a dust sticker to remove any particles that appear. A small speck now becomes a bubble later. When almost fully down, press the center and push outward with a plastic card to finish by smoothing the entire surface with firm, even strokes from the center toward the edges. This forces air out and ensures full contact. If a stubborn dust bubble appears, lift only the nearest hinge edge, use a dust sticker to pick up the particle, and reseal. Avoid peeling the whole protector. Make sure edges are fully adhered, then let the screen sit undisturbed for 24 hours. If adhesion fails, check for oils or moisture, and repeat the cleaning and apply steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.